Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and now we're excited to present you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly don't want to overlook any crucial updates that might affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the world today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.5. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.91%. This equates to an average return of 0.42% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 2.9% over the coming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 2.86% to positive 4.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 33.24% over the next year, with a possible return between 14.58% and 37.80%. This translates to a price range of $269.19 to $323.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate following Wednesday's trading session. The price of Apple stock decreased by approximately 0.0553% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, falling from $235.06 to $234.93. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 0.80%, with a low of $233.81 and a high of $235.69. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 4.36% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive signal, as trading volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 11 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares exchanged for approximately $7.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price stands 1.08%, or $2.56, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is currently experiencing notable challenges as recent reports highlight a decline in iPhone sales in China, which is a crucial market for the company's growth. This downturn may adversely affect short-term stock performance, as investors could respond to reduced revenue forecasts. Additionally, Apple seems to be losing traction in the competitive smartphone landscape, with evidence showing that its share of the recovering smartphone market is diminishing in comparison to Android competitors. This trend might further weaken investor confidence, leading to possible decreases in stock price in the near future. On a more optimistic note, Apple's exploration of satellite services in partnership with Globalstar shows potential, with the possibility of doubling annual revenues and improving profit margins. However, structural changes, such as a potential uplisting to Nasdaq, may require time to reflect positively on overall stock performance. Therefore, while the immediate outlook presents a challenging environment for Apple, especially regarding international sales, its strategic initiatives could lay the groundwork for future growth. Nevertheless, investor sentiment is expected to remain cautious amid these ongoing challenges. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a underweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, Maxim Group rated Apple Inc. with a hold grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Barclays provided Apple Inc. with an underweight grade and a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Piper Sandler rated Apple Inc. with a neutral grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS assigned Apple Inc. a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $231.22 and $229.36. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 26, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.0553%. Additional declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often succeeded by substantial and prolonged gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average displayed a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 134 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated $1.88 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.8%. Over the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.28%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This P/E ratio is relatively normal, often observed in companies with long-standing performance records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts project consensus estimates at $2.36. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $235. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $229. If this support level holds, it could present a solid entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.549. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $226.28, representing a decrease of 3.68%. This stock experiences very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open down 12 cents and begin trading at $234.81. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.